Why do you think Shipt drivers end up quitting? Or like, do you have an idea of like why someone would quit Shipt?
Yeah, so I think a lot of different reasons. So I'd say for a newer driver, a lot of people quit because after like they they do like the first 5, 10 orders, they stop getting offers really, especially if like they use those first 10 orders on like delivery only orders, or they didn't get rated highly, so they didn't get any member matches. But a lot of people, they hate it because it goes from, oh, it seems so great on those first 10 orders, this is easy, to all of a sudden I may get one offer a day. What was happened? The ship hate me, or they're in a really competitive market where in order to like get orders, you basically have to have a perfect 5-star rating, and they get rated like a 1 for something, and they can't get rating forgiveness, and they're like, no, I'm not getting orders, so screw this. So I'd say that for like probably a new shopper. For a more experienced ship shopper, um, what I hear is like, over time, I think with all these gig apps, this happens, but like they basically change the pay models and they reduce the pay. So like their reference point is always the good old days when Ship used to pay so much and this and that, it used to be all great. And now Ship sucks. This is my last order because this, yada, yada, yada. And so they kind of become bitter towards the experience, just seeing the decline over time, and or they move on to different things. So I think like from those different perspectives, those are probably the two main reasons people quit. Drivers in the middle that, they're not like super experienced yet, but they have a decent amount of orders, probably like me, probably in that sweet spot because I've seen good things with Shipt so far. I haven't been with Shipt even a full year yet, but I have a good amount of experience with them. Now, maybe 2, 3 years down the road, we'll see, because maybe I'll see some changes and have a different opinion of them. But like right now, I think, I'm in the sweet spot. So I think that's the reason I think that most drivers quit. Or, their market sours or turns. Because I know in my market, there seems to be not a lot of drivers, not a lot of saturation. But I've seen other people whose markets, become saturated with new drivers. They stop getting as many orders. And yeah, like I said, they become kind of bitter towards the situation.
Yeah, that makes sense. So